folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Osburn 2700 matrix wood insert. So this is probably the most decorative and traditional styled wood insert that Osburn offers. Most of their other units are actually just going to have a standard steel front, where this is a nice cast iron front to it. Also, what's unique about this 2700i model is this is going to be the tapered model. So most of the Osburn inserts just have a square back to them. So if your masonry opening is tapered at all in the rear, sometimes that can be difficult to fit an Osburn insert in there. Now this model is just going to be a flush front. The other steel models of the Osburn, will have a ledge that comes out the front. So if you're looking for something like that, then you're going to be looking more at a steel insert, not a cast iron. But if you're looking for something that's really traditional and decorative, this is a beautiful model. Nice big glass viewing area here on the front door. Man, when this is burning, you just get an awesome flame. Inside the firebox door, it is fully gasketed. This one also has more decorative, like refractory panels on the inside that the other Osburn inserts don't offer. They just have standard fire brick. So this kind of gives you that nice stacked look, which really looks kind of more like a real fireplace. You also have the standard refractory located on the bottom, but again, if you break these, then this is going to be something that has to be a replacement part ordered directly from Osburn. This model also has the log guard in the front, which keeps anything from rolling out the front of the unit. You do just have one single damper control, which is going to be located here at the bottom of the unit. So again, any of the wood inserts are designed to be installed into a masonry application or potentially a prefab fireplace, assuming that your prefab fireplace allows for that. You would need to check your owner's manual to be sure. If you guys find this information helpful, if you like my videos, please don't forget, just give them a quick thumbs up, you guys. That helps me out so much. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.